We have a classy ride here today, folks. This is a 1962 Thunderbird. It's had a comprehensive restoration. Beautiful silver mink color. Has the Roadster package. Yes, there is a full usable back seat that's easily accessible with lifting that off. Has the retractable convertible white top. Has a tri-power under the hood on top of the 390 motor. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. At any time, you can scan the QR code that's on the screen, and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, they say this car looks like a bullet. You know, look at the design here, how it flows back, and as the tail comes around, you'll see the tail lights look like thrusters. Very sleek, stylish car. Has this faux hood scoop on here, and all the body fit and finish is excellent. It's all straight, it all lines up beautifully. All the corners and lines are all square and flush, smooth all the way to the bottom. All lines up real nice. This is all smooth. Even the fender skirts fit very nicely. The jambs are all painted up very nicely. Shuts nice and solid. Yep, here's the rocket thrusters. And this trunk lid will open this way, and the whole top goes down in there. I'm sure we'll have videos showing that. It's a cool thing to watch. And all this is clean and straight. There's no rust bubbles or damage, no dents. I'm looking, all of this is just beautiful. The little tail fins, I mean, it's got it all going on. All the way to the bottom, smooth, glossy, all real nice. Nice lines, nice body. Jambs are slick. You have two wing nuts right here, a couple turns, those come off. This is real light, one person literally lifts it right off, and you have the full back seat. So that's can be used either way. Repainted its original silver mink color. That's what I really like about it, and I've already heard several comments from other people. Very classy, rich color. The metallic is laid out, and the clear coat's glossy. The chrome is above average. The grill, the chrome is beautiful. The stainless is polished. All of that is just sparkling. You have the little rubber grommets. Everything fits well. The emblems are sparkling. The glass is very nice. Again, everything's real sharp. These moldings are straight and polished. See, the molding is the door handle, and you have the little push button here. A lot of unique features on this car. The Kelsey-Hayes wire wheels are gorgeous. Got spinners. They're wearing Hankook sneakers, nice radial tires for a smooth ride. Convertible top is white. There's pictures of that on our website. You can check that out. It's in real nice shape. Same thing back here. All the chrome is excellent. I said the chrome's above average. I meant to say the chrome's outstanding. It's beautiful. It sparkles. Look how that shines. All of this is just outstanding. These are beautiful. The mirror even has a little Ford script I noticed here. So it's an actual Ford mirror. Beautiful car. Let's open it up and I'll show you that tri-power. So it's kind of like a transformer is the way this operates. You hit the switch, this lid opens up, the convertible top goes up, and then this here lid folds in, and then the trunk closes. It's all automatic off one switch. Again, it does not affect the tonneau cover. The top can be up or down with or without that. It has nothing to do with it. Again, the convertible top is white and it's in real nice shape. You can see inside here, everything looks very good. I caught a glimpse of the relays back here. They're shiny, so I think a lot of the relays have been rebuilt and all the pumps look good. I noticed it has an LED trunk light. Obviously has the spare. So nice looking compartment. You don't have a lot of room when the top is down as far as the trunk. When the top is up, you have your trunk. But very unique, very interesting. People enjoy watching that go up and down. Yeah, the jambs are painted real nicely. Weather strips are very good. The interior is that same silver blue color, and it's in very nice shape. Those door panels are excellent. It has that fluted trim that's not beat up or scratched up. Power windows, which is really nice, especially with the tonneau cover, because you can't reach the back windows. And then that's the power top switch. The dash pad is in excellent shape. See, it fits very nicely, no splits or cracks. Very cool looking gauge pods, 3 of them. All the trim is sparkling. And no, the steering wheel's not broken. It's a swing away wheel. The original AM radio is in place. And again, all this trim is real nice. It blends right into the door panel, like wraps around you. And then here in the glove box, it has a Bluetooth stereo system. I just checked with the mechanic. So this radio is not what you use. It has a Bluetooth. Also has seat belts added, front and back. There's pictures of the back seat. It's all reupholstered, all looks just like this. Nice cushion. It's like a drum. You can bounce a pea off of there. So all real nice and upholstered. And you can see the same thing back here, all looking real good. Just a very tidy car. It was restored over 10 years ago, but still looks great. Visors look great. Has a day and night mirror. All the chrome sparkles. And again, the swing away steering wheel makes it a little easier for getting in and out. A lot of innovative features on this car. Now, that's a 390 motor. I think they make 300 horsepower, but this one here has the added tri-power to it. They did have a factory tri-power, which is extremely rare. The tri-power is added to this car, and you can see it's 3 Holley carburetors, electric choke, Edelbrock intake. It all looks clean and fresh. Upgraded MSD ignition system. It has the nice Thunderbird air cleaner on top. It has the Ford logo on there, FOMOCO. Look at the nice fuel line, Thunderbird valve covers, neatly run plug wires and hoses. Look at the firewall. The whole engine bay is painted up so optically. Has the cadmium plated hinges, the washer fluid bag. It's kind of like my belly. Optima battery, all painted beautifully. The generator looks like it's upgraded to an alternator. I'm going to bet it is, but I'm not 100% sure. We can check on that. The cooling system's upgrade. This is a polished aluminum water pump, and it has these premium hoses and shrink clamps and an aluminum radiator painted black, and there's an electric fan in front of it. And then we have power steering. We have power brakes. The squirters are all hooked up. Just look how nice it's all painted. Now look under the hood. I love these cloth or vinyl inserts. I've never seen that. Those must have been custom made. They are nice looking. Even the latches, even down here, all cadmium plated. The rubber seals replaced. So a sharp looking, nice running engine compartment. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs. Oh, it's not an MSD ignition. It's a Unilight. I thought it was MSD because it was red. But, yep, Michael's going to drive the car, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Let me just start by saying this has got to be my favorite T-Bird that we've ever had for sale here at the museum. What a slick color combo. And then you pair that up with the 390 and the tri-power. Amazing combination there. With the Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. I mean, this thing's just so easy to use. And it may be the literally the softest power steering that I've ever experienced on a car. I mean, literally like pinky power steering. Very enjoyable to drive. All right, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Tell you, I was a little surprised by the performance there. No shortage of horsepower and just a thrill to drive. This car is amazing. I like it even more now after driving it than before we started. Luxury quality to the ride there. Really nice and soft. Seems quiet too. Just a quality restoration. And it's got the swing away steering wheel plus the power windows, power top. I mean, it's a really great car. Get in on the action at volocars.com by pushing the buy it now button. But if you must, you're more than welcome for a test drive. Just contact our sales team. They'll be more than happy to help you.
So underneath the car has been restored as well. I'm talking all the steering, suspension, it's all been redone. It still looks very fresh. Probably not many miles put on the car since it's been finished. Stainless steel, TIG welded, dual exhaust system. It has the mufflers with resonators in the back, a dual exhaust. The fuel tank has been replaced. The brake system's been redone. E-brake is hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's clean. I mean, the motor is actually like spotless. The starter, all that looks proper and fresh. The Cruise-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission looks very nice and fresh. Looks like a rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to the rear end, which has 3.0 posi gears in it. I don't think you'll be doing too many burnouts, but that's what it's got. The floors are all clean and solid, and they are undercoated for a nice clean presentation. Makes it a little bit quieter as well. I could have held the button a second longer, and this does pull down a little tighter. So go to volocars.com if you want a really special car. Salesman can help answer questions, including how to get this 62 Thunderbird delivered to your door. If you needed financing, insurance, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.